Okay, so this whole video you're watching right now, the bag, the rotation, all of it, started as one single photo. Let me actually show you how this came together. So with stuff like this, the tricky part isn't really making the images. Honestly, anyone can make images now. The hard part is keeping it looking like the exact same bag the whole way through. Hero shot, lifestyle, the video, all of it has to match. And every single thing you just saw came from this one photo right here on the left. Just a regular product shot on a black background, nothing fancy. From there, I pulled different angles, a close-up on the hardware, a model wearing it, all of them branching off that same source. So the quilting, the chain, the proportions, everything just stays consistent. I'm not re-describing the bag every single time. Then I wanted it moving, so same bag but now in motion. Then I sharpen it up a bit so it's not mushy at full resolution. And from there, it just goes onto a timeline. Drop in the audio I already had sitting on the canvas, line it up with the visuals and export. About 10 seconds of footage, soft camera move, product stays centered. That's pretty much it. One photo in, finished campaign out. Thanks for hanging out.